Hello everyone, this is going to be my first video for reviewing products from Amazon. I am an Amazon Vine reviewer, and so they send me products to review and they just want my honest opinion. They don't pay me, I just get the products, but I did want to review them for you, so I will go ahead and start with this first one here, and then if you like it, I will have a link to the store at the bottom of the video where you can go and get it for yourself. So let's start with the first one. This is a DIY Bling Bling Christmas Key Charms. It is a diamond painting kit, and it came from Amazon, of course. It is made in China. You can see on the back the different designs that you can get. There's lots of different ones there. I've already done one. I couldn't wait to open it to try it out. So we'll just have a look and see what we can find. All right, let's get this open. All right, as you can see, it comes in a cute little box. And you have a choice between these plastic charms, or hooks rather. This is like you would do for maybe a backpack or a purse. And then they also give you, in here somewhere, yes, some metal clips. And these come with a chain attached, so you can use them like a keychain or something like that, or you could probably use them to attach to a purse as well. And then you get this package that has all of the different designs in it. If you're familiar with diamond paintings, you will know, of course, that they have a sticky on them, and they're very sticky. So you just would peel off the portion that you're starting, and then it's got the letters and symbols that match up with the codes that are on the diamonds, which come like this. And these are all sparkly diamonds, and they are round. So if you're familiar with diamond paintings, you can get them in square or round. These particular ones are round, and they get a nice set of colors. You also get the typical green tray for putting your diamonds in, and the stick that you use to pick up your diamonds. And then you also get, of course, a bunch of diamonds. Oh, and the little gum that they use, or wax, to pick up the diamonds with your stick. I've already done one. This was the stocking. Get a close-up view of that. You can see what that looks like. Yeah. So that's the stocking. It's not a complete cover, but it's still a pretty good cover. You probably would still want to seal this with like a Mod Podge before you hung it on your tree. The diamonds do come in smaller and larger sizes to help fill in the holes, so it makes it a little more complete.